To create a Windows 11 bootable drive, you can use the Windows Media Creation tool or a third-party tool like Rufus. The Media Creation tool is a straightforward option from Microsoft, while Rufus allows for more customization, like partition scheme and target system type and format options. Both methods require a USB drive of at least 8 GB. If you don't have Windows 11 ISO file, you can download it from Microsoft official website. In this page, there are 3 options for installing or creating Windows 11 media. First, Windows 11 Installation Assistant. This is the best option for installing Windows 11 on the device you are currently using. Second, Create Windows 11 Installation Media. If you want to perform a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on a new or used PC, use this option to download the Media Creation tool to make a bootable USB. Third, download Windows 11 disk image for x64 devices. This option is for users that want to create a bootable installation media or create a virtual machine to install Windows 11. This download is a multi-edition ISO which uses your product key to unlock the correct edition. Using the Windows Media Creation tool to create bootable drive. In Microsoft website, click on Download the Windows 11 Media Creation tool. After downloaded, locate the tool, usually on Download folder. Open the tool and accept the license terms. Choose your preferred language and Windows 11 edition. At the time this video was created, only one language is available. So just click Next to continue. In the Choose which media to use, select USB flash drive. Click Next. Under the Select a USB flash drive, select the drive where you want to create ISO image. If your drive is not showing, click on Refresh Drive List to update. Confirm you have the correct drive by checking on File Explorer. In my case, I have inserted 14.8 GB flash drive and it is showing here Drive G, with a name description Acoma. Now I'm going back to Media Creation tool and select that drive. Then click Next to proceed downloading the ISO file. The tool will download Windows 11 and create the bootable USB. Now our installation drive is ready, let's have a check on it. And here it is, we have boot, EFI, sources and support folder as well as setup.exe file. To create Windows 11 installation drive using Rufus, first we need to download the ISO file. In Microsoft website, under the Download Windows 11 Disk Image for x64 Devices section, click on the Select Download drop-down and choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then click Confirm. Next, select the product language. Click on Confirm. Then click the Download button to begin downloading the ISO file. This will take time depending on your network connection. Now Windows 11 ISO file is ready, we can start creating installation drive using Rufus. I will use old version of Rufus which is available here in my desktop. Rufus can be downloaded for free on their website. At this time of recording, Rufus 4.9 is its latest version. Going back to Rufus window, first, select the desired USB drive under the device section. For demo, I am using the same drive we used under the Windows Media Creation tool. Take a note that creating Windows installation drive, all files will be deleted on the target drive. This also applies to Windows Media Creation tool. Next, on the partition system and target type, select which best fits your unit. In my case, I will select GPT Partition Scheme for UEFI. For the file system, select NTFS. Under the cluster type, just leave the default one. You can modify the new volume label as you wish. Under the Create a bootable disk image using, click on ISO image. Then click the disk icon and locate Windows 11 ISO image. Next, click on Start to begin the process. Rufus will warn you about data loss, confirm and wait for the process to complete. And to show the logs, click on the Log button. Now Windows 11 installation drive is ready. Here's our USB drive content. We have all the folders and setup.exe file. This covers how to create Windows 11 installation drive. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.